So I got all the pieces cut for these blocks, and my wife is now painting them. We're using all these samples that I got from the store, all different colors that she's really good at mixing a bunch of colors together and coming up with one. And so what she's doing, I have 3 sets I've made. That's just about one set. There's a set. Here's a set. And what she recently told me, the way she's painting them is the colors of the rainbow, right? I never knew this. The rainbow colors go in a specific order. So it's red, and then orange, and then yellow, and then green, and then blue. Is there anything after blue, Kim? Probably a purple.
Roy G. Biv. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet.
Indigo, violet. Okay. All right. Wow. So what I like about that is she wanted the kids to learn colors also, but they're learning that rainbow, the light refraction part also. So that's pretty cool. Moving along, got lots of them painted here. When we get them done, we're still trying to figure out how to get the numbers on them, right? Because this is a 1, and it's pretty much, well, it's an inch high and an 1.5 inches wide. This is a 2x that I cut it out of. So we're trying to figure out so we have that, there's a 1, how small that is, and then here's a 10. And how are we going to and do we put the number here? Or do we put the number on the side? So we're still trying to work that out. When we figure it out, we'll let you know.